All right, welcome back, my dear students. So in the last video, we have installed FileZilla, and we also have created an account in Infinity Free. So make sure that you take note your account. Maybe put it in a notepad for now. Okay, don't worry if you forgot your account. You can just sign up again for another account in Infinity Free. It's very easy. All right, the next thing that we're gonna be doing is to sign up for the website called Formspree. Formspree. Let me just Google that. There you have it. It's called Formspree.io. All right, so we're gonna be needing this because I'm going to teach you how to create your own uh, real, your own website portfolio where your potential client will be able to send you a message, and you will be able to get that message in your email. Okay, this is the purpose on why we are signing up for Formspree platform. All right, but they also have a premium account, but the free version is really good, more than enough for our need in order for us to showcase our website portfolio, and then having a way for our potential client being able to send us a message. All right, if they wanted to hire us, or if they wanted to collaborate with us. Okay, so in here you can just go ahead and click get started to sign up for an account. So here you're going to be putting your email. So I'm going to put mine. I'll just copy my email here and then paste it here. Hold on, that's not the okay. Copy and then paste it here, and the password for this platform. All right, so I'll just type here. Maybe I'll use the same password with my Infinity Free. Okay, so just click the check boxes. If you wanted to read the terms of use and privacy policy, please do so, but this is just for demonstration purposes, so I'm not going to be reading them. And I'm going to click on register. Okay, and there is a authentication here, mountains or hills. Okay, we just need to pass this verification, and now we have an account. All right, so now that you have created an account, just click on new project here. Okay, click new project and name your project. It doesn't really matter. I'm okay with, I'll just stick this a new project default project name, and I'll click on create project. Okay, all right, so now that we have created the project here, I'm going to click new form. Okay, right now it says in order to create a form you must have at least one linked email, and we already have, so we just need to refresh it. Okay, I'll just go ahead. Yeah, if we go to settings, we already have an email that is associated with this, okay, with this account, and let's just click on account to see. All right, here's my email. It is already associated. You don't have so the only thing that we need to do is to log out and log back in to refresh the system. Okay, so when we click sign in, so and then we put our email here. Okay, this is my email and my password. I'll just copy my password here and paste it here, then click sign in. All right, now that we're signed in, I'll just close this dialog box. We can now click new form. All right, in order. All right, still not refreshing, guys. Let me just double check here. All right, so it looks like I think we need to verify. There's probably a verification email. I'll just check my email here. Click the inbox, and yeah, there you have it. There is a action required here, so please check your email as well and verify it. Okay, I overlooked that, so I'm not a robot. So boats here, this one and this one. Click verify. Okay, if you initiated this request, you can now use this email to create forms here. Okay, I'll just click on here. All right, now we are back on this page, and we're just actually trying to create a new form, and we are unable to do that is because I have overlooked to verify my account here. All right, so I'm going to click now new form, and there you have it. I'll just name my form name, maybe form 1. Okay, and this is our project name, and then just click create form. All right, now we have here a notification form created successfully, and yep, we're done with this Formspree, and later we're gonna be using this for us to be able to receive. We're gonna be creating our personal website, okay, and in that website there's a contact form where our potential client will be able to message us. All right, and when they message us using that form, we will be able to receive it in our email. Okay, cool, right? So that's what we're going to do later, but for now, the focus of our in this video is just being able to set up an account in Formspree, okay, .io. So the next one is to sign up in Github. Okay, this is also one way for us to be able to upload our website for free without paying a hosting platform. Okay, so just find github.com in the search result in your search engine. I'm using Google right now, and here just find the sign up button. Okay, click sign up, and in here you're gonna be creating your account. So I'll just put my username here. I think I'll use my Infinity username. Hold on. All right, maybe I'll just come up with one. WebDev 101. Okay, that's not available. I'll put here 2021. Okay. All right, you can come up with any username. Username may only contain alphanumeric characters or single hyphens. All right, this one is good. I want it to be as simple as possible. How about that? I'll use E here. Okay, so I'm using this username for now. This is just for demonstration purposes, and I'm gonna be using the same email that I created for this course. And password, okay, I'll just copy the password. Same with my Infinity free account. Okay, at least one lowercase. Alright, I'll type here for my GitHub. I'll put here a letter. Okay, how about that? Alright, so while I'm doing this, feel free to sign up your account. Basically, this is really just the point of this video. Okay, being able to have an account with Formspree as well as in github.com. Alright, looks like I'm good here. Alright, we'll verify. Okay, I'll click this. Pick the dice pair adding up to 7. Okay. Where is it? This one right here. Okay, adding up to 7. Okay. So it looks like we're done, and we are now ready to click this button, create account. Alright, so if you're looking at this page right now, if you will click this at the upper right hand corner of your screen, you will see your username. That means we are able to create our GitHub account. And actually, developers this is where they collaborate. This is one of the best platform for now, I believe, to collaborate in web development. Okay, so in this video, the only purpose, like what I mentioned, is just to create an account for Formspree.io and github.com, and later I'm going to teach you how to use all of these platforms. All right, and thank you for watching. Keep motivated. We are almost done with this course, and I'm gonna be teaching you a lot of great stuff, real world applications, real projects that you can start as a web developer. Okay, you once we have created those projects, you can use it as a reference later if you have your own project that might require all the functionality that I'm going to show you in this course. All right, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.